hope all of you are doing great. And in this video, I want to tell about the few life lessons which I got from Udemy after entering to the Udemy during entry and all. So, what are the few things I learned? I hope that will be helpful for you in some other way. And I want to share with all of you what kind of impact it made. Let us come to that our journey on Udemy. It was started in 2000. 2019 to present. So this is our journey on Udemy. So what kind of impact it made and how it is helping, right? If you see that 2019 we entered. Before that, in 2016, 17, 18, during that point of time, few of our US students, because I didn't even know about Udemy, they used to suggest me that Ganesh, your videos are very good. Can you come to Udemy? It will be a great help for you. But I was somewhat focusing on getting a job in abroad from India, and also somewhere the feeling that Udemy may be for some world class, like some high level trainers, not for my level. It may be for some big people, whatever, some different kind of a wrong thinking also was there. And second thing, I want to get a foreign job, but not much focusing on putting my videos in other platform and all. Even I mentioned this one in other occasion that in 17 to 18, lot of people, our videos are getting pirated and few people are publishing on Telegram and different ways. Then I thought like, let's come to Udemy. So here the learning point is never underestimate. Never underestimate your skills. Skills are strength. Okay. I underestimated. That's why I didn't even think about the global platform. Okay, many of you Indian students will buy or go through our content or watch our YouTube videos and all. But the real thing is you should never underestimate your skills. That I learned. And second thing, 2019, when I joined in Udemy with, I think some what are two, three courses we entered into Udemy, I was having a YouTube followers of more than 5,000. More than 5,000 followers or YouTube subscribers are there. 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers were there. And a few people known to me. But 2019 to 20, 2019 to 20, our students are only 100 students. Only 100 students in 1 year. One of the reasons is that I didn't publish much and I joined, but I didn't much focus on sharing on LinkedIn or to our circle, to the YouTube community. I didn't do much. I'm in Udemy. That is one of the reasons. And second reason is that already we have a followers of YouTube, right? At least though know that I came to Udemy because I put few posts at least on YouTube, at least one or two posts I would have kept it, not more, but at least I would have put it. So you never start something that you have a couple of people, you have a couple of students, a couple of known people, or your community. You are staying in 1,000 flats community, so that if I start something business, many people in our community will buy, or many people in my village will buy. Many of my friends are in the same city, so they can buy. So never start anything by considering your little circle or known people only. That is the biggest learning. You never start anything by seeing your few known people. Your wisdom, your thought process should be higher than that. You should reach to the unknown people. You should reach with your content. If your content is good, is known or unknown, they are going to take your content. That is a great learning. So 2019 to 20, only 100 students for a person who has 6,000 plus YouTube followers and at least 7,000 plus LinkedIn. Although I was not posting much, but at least I would have posted one or two times I'm on Udemy. That's the two learnings. So the known people only cannot make you successful. Your content will make you success. The next learning will be like 2000 2020 to 2021. Okay. So here we learned about we have to never underestimate. You have to believe in yourself and don't start something for only known people. Here the great learning is Udemy Udemy market, okay, pays only 33% of the revenue to you. So 33% of revenue, so that you will get a very little income where based on your sources or based on the courses what you have based on taking. And we used to have a group in LinkedIn also that the SAP or some kind of a group. People always tell that Udemy will not pay much. Udemy is waste of time. Then you can have your own app or you can go to other platform. But I thought like I kept in Udemy. I'm working, I'm learning, I'm doing my job. I put the courses on Udemy, let it grow. I don't want to try the two, three types of places where I keep the same course in different platforms and let it be. So I believe Udemy. So we need to trust in one person or one company. And also we need to believe that keeping in different places may not be an idea for always. And second thing, the patience during less growth. Students are growing. We got 1,000 students, 2,000 and all, but it's not up to the mark. And during that time, multiple other platforms send emails. Ganesh, we have seen your courses on Udemy. And we know that Udemy pays less so that you can put your courses on our platform so that we will give you better price and all. So somewhat I felt like let me keep it in only one platform. Let it be known to the people. Let people know about my content, how I explain the respective MM topics and all. So the patience during these 2 years, right, 2020 to 21, that helped to get that. So I never put it in multiple platforms, and although less pay, but I didn't drop or I didn't stop uploading. Then we got the real thing happened in 2021 to present. What happened? 2021 to present. 2021 Udemy business. 2021, Udemy introduced a concept called Udemy Business. In this Udemy Business, initially 6,000 courses were selected. Our courses are around 6 were selected. Later, it became now 23. So every year they're adding 3 courses, 5 courses of our courses into that set. So that today we reached to 23 courses, and the companies like in the Udemy Business, right? We have TCS, Accenture, IBM. Okay. So TCS, Accenture, IBM, Deloitte, whatever, all these kind of a companies are having a login with Udemy Business. And when the people come for SAP MM, they search the Ganesh Padala, they find and they are getting the courses for free. And Udemy Business will get revenue from that MNCs, and then they share with all the content creators. So here, what are the life lessons here that never underestimate your skills. You must believe your skills first. That will be taking to your next level. And second learning point here is few known students or few known people will not make you immediate success for that. Your content should go to the people, then automatically you will get the required things. And here that when the Udemy is paying less, I didn't go for multiple platforms, and also the paying less, but still we maintain that patience to see that how Udemy will grow. And let's believe and let's give a chance to one platform for few years, then we can see that also helped. Because of that patience and all, Udemy business has come. Today we reached to 51,000 plus students from 152 countries. That is just because of Udemy business. Whether if I keep in the content in Google Drive or any one platform, it will never happen such kind of a huge success. Okay. So always believe in yourself. And finally, I want to stop with that the Udemy ratings. The Udemy ratings will not give you any revenue, but the ratings will help you to get into that the top courses. And during Udemy business, when they want to select specific course, they filter based on the ratings. And also as a content creator, when I open the course, I see the 4.6 rating or 5 out of 5 or 4.5 out of 5 will give a lot of motivation to the content creators. So the Udemy ratings are very important. If you observe that one, the more ratings I'm getting from unknown people. Unknown means everybody is my followers, whoever watching the videos. But I never interacted on WhatsApp, I never interacted on Gmail or anywhere. Those people are giving more ratings. Unknown are giving more ratings than known. So everybody is watching the videos, but it doesn't mean that your only known people can only make you think. They also will make, but you don't trust 100% will do it or 80% will do. Maybe 30% people will do, 40% people will do. But your courses are good, and those are people are getting benefit out of that. Whether he's a known person or unknown person, or he is from your country or your state or area, doesn't matter. So that believe in yourself and follow your passion. Definitely you will achieve what you want. And these are the learnings from Udemy for me in these 6 years of time. And is playing a key role in our SAP content making journey, especially from 2022 or 23 to 25 is a golden journey, and we hope it will be going for a few more years. And I'm learning, I'm working on projects, I keep updating our content. If you have any kind of feedback or any improvements, please put it in a comment so that I will help to improve the content, because finally my wish to have my content should be good enough to share knowledge with the people. So your valuable feedback will help me to improve the content which I'm going to make in coming weeks. Thanks for your time, and I hope you got something from this video to take it with you. All the best to your career, and we'll meet with another video. Thank you.